How to fix verification selfie not accepted on Tinder. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can fix if the verification selfie is not being accepted on Tinder. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your verification selfie is not being accepted on Tinder, what are the reasons why this is happening? First of all, the person on the photo must be closely similar to the type of person you are looking right now. So if it's quite an old photo, Tinder won't be able to recognize that you are the person within the photo. Second thing the verification could be failing is if you have a picture, all of the pictures where your face is not shown clearly. So if you have a lot of pictures with goggles and the selfie you're taking now is the one without goggles or spectacles, in that case Tinder won't be able to find it out. So in that case, just upload a photo that clearly shows the current type of you that you are, and then once you've done that only you can try to apply for the verification again, and this time it will hopefully help you solve the problem. Make sure that you are in a well lit environment and it is not dark, there are no reflections or glares, and then it will be easy for the Tinder's algorithm to verify that you are indeed the person within the account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.